What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to prevent the battery from swelling in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the first solution to this problem is avoid overheating your phone. So if your phone overheats too much, then find a way to fix overheating issue, and do not charge your phone up to 80%. So charging your phone up to 80% can damage your battery and it may cause swelling. The second solution for your problem is use original charger. If you use a fake charger, then it may cause damage to the battery. So always use the original Samsung company charger to charge your phone. Now the third solution for your problem is open settings. Scroll down and click on battery, and here you will see a protect battery button. So if this button is turned off, then turn it back on, and after turning on protect battery, it will protect your battery from swelling. Now after all these solutions, if you are still feeling that your battery is swelling, then the last solution is open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update. Now here in software update, tap on download and install, and from here if you have any pending update, then update your phone software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to latest version, your small issues will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.